Hi, this is Audi A3, 2012 plate. That is the bumper. Bumper needs a lot of doing, and this is what I do best. I just assembled this. That's bonnet, a headlight, and the wing. And when I came, the car had a terrible accident, and then I managed to repair all this, put the bonnet on, and car is ready to be assembled. And I can do this in your own home. You don't need to take the car to any garage. I can repair this categories D, C, and R. Give me a call and I'll be able to help you up. Don't take it to the garage where they're going to give you a large chunk of money. You have to pay for it. It's really good to repair this. I've done this today, and I've done this one as well, which is a 63 plate. As you can see, that is also another wing on. I'm gonna repair this door, which is also dented. Bumper has been repaired, which I'm going to put them together, and this one will be back on the road as well with a couple of days. Give me a call.